Okay, I'm going to do a couple more of the classic Pilates exercises. So this is the rollover and rolling like a ball. So you want to have your legs straight out in front, lying back, and then you're going to bring your legs up and over your head. And if you can touch the floor, please do. And then from that position, you want to just separate your legs a little bit and turn them out, pointing your toes. And then you need to come down slowly with control, with your toes pointed and your legs turned out. And then we'll do that again. So legs coming up, straight over the head, touching if you can. Separate your legs, turn them out, point your toes, and come down in a nice, slow, controlled way. All the way down. We'll do that one more time. So feet together, raising the legs up, head over, bring them apart, just about a foot apart, maybe 18 inches. Turn the legs out, point the toes, and come down slowly. Great. Bring the legs together. Raise the arms above your head, and we're going to do a roll up. So, breathing out, bring yourself all the way up. We'll do two more of those, just to bring the upper back into all this. So coming down slowly on the out breath. Breathing in to raise the arms up. Breathing out to come up to seated. And then we're going to curl back down again. And again, slow and controlled is what you're aiming for. And bringing the breath into it as well. So breathing that in to bring your arms up. And then breathe out as you continue to come up to a nice straight back seated posture. So you're sitting on your sitting bones. Now just bring the legs in. And we're going to do the other classic Pilates exercise, which is rolling like a ball. So you want to raise up onto your toes and try to balance so that you're really using your stomach muscles and pulling up your pelvic floor. Now, from that position, you quite simply roll back onto your shoulders and then up again. You can come down with your feet placed, but in an ideal world, you're going to keep your balance as well. So coming up to a straight position. Again, down and up. And this should be actually a really nice massage for your back. So it's kind of one of my favorite exercises because it's the sort of thing I used to do as a kid and I haven't done in a long time. It feels quite relaxing and quite freeing once you get the hang of it. And so you can repeat that up to 10 times. So there are a couple more of your classic Pilates exercises to add into your sequence.